Welcome to Donna Cooking. I'm so glad you're here because tonight I'm going to be making a really simple bowl dinner. It's high in fiber and it will help bring those cholesterol numbers down. I've been on a cholesterol lowering journey and I've been doing it naturally, and I want you to be encouraged that you can too, and maybe stay away from some of the medicines and try this first. So come along with me, Donna Cooking, in this week's video, and let's get started on this really simple dinner. So you don't have to slave away on a hot stove all day to make a really healthy dinner. And the first thing I did is I got some barley out of my pantry, and it is very high in fiber, which helps lower your cholesterol, and it's not really processed at all. So what I did was I measured a half a cup and put it in a bowl and covered it with some boiling water while I did some things around the house, let that sit, and then it got quite tender, and then I went ahead and cooked it up in my saucepan. I just covered it in water, let it boil a little bit, and it's all done now. Very easy to do. And next thing I'm going to do is open a can of these white beans. We're going to be making a salmon bowl. I have a really cool can opener I want you to see, and I'll show you up close. Hang on. The next one I'm going to do is rinse the beans. Next up, just put some broccoli in your dish. My broccoli is from the garden, so it's nice and fresh, just enough for your serving. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. There we go. Now let's get ready to make our bowl. First, I have this fresh herb salad greens. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my nice bowl. So I got my greens here. I'm just going to put some in my bowl and rip it up just a little bit. I really like this blend. It's a whole mixture, and it even has dill in it. So it's a nice fresh taste. Okay. And then I got my barley right here. Go ahead and put that on. And the white beans. Now, I grilled the salmon up ahead of time, and when I do a whole salmon, I cut it into servings and then I wrap them up. And so all I gotta do is thaw them out and they're all ready for a bowl. So I encourage you to meal prep ahead of time and do that. I got a fresh tomato here from the garden. Thank goodness we can get fresh produce here in Alaska right now. And so it's so much better when you can have it fresh, right? Let me know if you guys are growing anything from your gardens, because that makes it so great. Got some tomato there. And the only thing left also is, ooh, look at that, a fresh cucumber. We'll cut a few slices and add that to our bowl. Cut some of that thicker rind off of the cucumber. Alrighty. You can add as much as you want. You can have as many of these kind of veggies, that's for sure. And then the fresh broccoli. Ooh, where should I put it? This is looking so pretty here. I'll put it over here on the side, okay? You can eat as much broccoli as you want too. I love broccoli. It's pretty much my favorite. You're getting so much nutrition from this healthy bowl. Alrighty. And last but not least, I made a great lemon tahini dressing, and I will be putting that up on the screen so that you can have the recipe. I wish you could smell it. Here I have my dressing. I'm gonna pour that on. It's just a little tahini, some water, maple syrup, and lemon juice, and some cracked pepper and garlic. I hope this meal really encourages you on your cholesterol lowering journey because it's absolutely delicious. I know you're going to love it. And I'm going to go eat it right now. And so you can lower your cholesterol naturally by eating these whole foods that are full of fiber and lots of protein also. So make sure that you subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment down below. We'll look for some more videos on my channel that will help you on your healthy journey. So till next time, happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video. The other thing I've been doing this week is working on this room. It's like a big playroom. It used to be a piano room, and now I want to make it into a little cozy space. Maybe you guys have suggestions too, but I want to show you the room, and then you can see like befores and afters. So what my thought is over here, put a chair, and it's like a little play area right now, but I'd kind of like to make it like a little reading nook since my husband put all those really nice shelves up for me with the books on it. And then I was thinking right here to put like his desk instead of back here, put it right here under the window. Anyway, these are some of the thoughts I have, and I hope it will turn out nice and you guys can come along with me. I will be showing you. Okay, I think that it looks better already. I'm already feeling a cozy vibe. So let's stay tuned and let this be continued. This will be a work in progress. So next time, maybe if you want to see what else it's looking like, leave a comment down below. So anyway, this was fun. Have a good week, you guys, and I will see you soon.